Kids Vision TV.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's draw and color another mermaid. This is a sleeping mermaid. First I am coloring its hair, yellow color. Oh, it's looking so nice.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Look at her golden hair. I am coloring star. Now I am coloring its body, dark pink color. Skin color, I am coloring its face. I am coloring its neck and its body and its tummy and its eyes. Orange color, I am coloring its body and its light pink, sea green color, I am coloring in light green color. I am coloring starfish, dark pink. I am coloring another starfish, orange. Light pink color. Light blue color. Dark green color. I am coloring in water drops, dark blue color. Light blue color.
Subscribe us for more videos. Subscribe us for more videos.